Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you something about coding BMWs. I purchased this one on eBay and I'm going to tell you something about it, and I'm going to show you how to deactivate auto stop option on a BMW F10 5 Series. Before I start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, that's Service Reset My Car. Feel free to subscribe, and if you like our video, thumbs up please. Okay, this is a V-gate adapter, and to change some options and features, unlock some features on a BMWs. What really was annoying me is the auto stop option on a BMW F10. If you start the car, the auto stop, this is always enabled. So if you're gonna stop on traffic lights and you press the brake to stop, the engine shuts off, and I'm not very fond of that. So I'm gonna show you how to reverse that with the V-gate I purchased on eBay. And then you can decide to purchase it for your own, and do some other things on a BMW. Okay. First of all, you have to have this one, and second of all, you have to have an app on your iPhone, if you have an iPhone, of course, and it's called let me search for it. It's called Bimmer Code. This one, Bimmer Code. So I'm gonna press it, and you have some features that you can adjust on your BMW. The thing that was annoying me was the auto start stop function on a BMW. You can reverse that, so when you start the car, this auto start stop option will be deactivated. So if you want to activate it, then you have to press the button. So what does that mean? If I have reversed the auto stop option and I come to a traffic light and I stop the car, the engine will not shut off. So if you want to use that option, then you have to activate it by hand to shut off the engine when you are stopping the car. Okay. You have some menus on the Bimmer code. I'm gonna explain you how to shut off or how to reverse auto stop on a BMW F10. You have to go to front electric module. Yes, and then you have some other menus, sub-menus. The auto start stop option is just about one moment. Yes, over here, if you can read it. Auto start stop function. Yes. If you want to reverse it, so if you don't want to use auto start stop option, then you have to press here and then activate. Once you have done that, you go back and then you press the coding, and it will take about half a minute to code it to the BMW. I've just done that, and I'm going to show you that it works. So when I start my car, the auto start stop option will be off. The engine is running now, as you can see. And I'm gonna shut off the engine, start the engine again. And as you can see, the auto start stop option is disabled. So when you're on a traffic light and then you stop the car, the engine will not shut off. I bought this on YouTube, on eBay. It cost about 30 euros and it was delivered within 2 days. So if you can decide for yourself to purchase one. And if you ask me if it is worth buying this one, yes, in my opinion, it's worth to buy this one. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, and if you like our videos, thumbs up please. Bye bye.